If you're watching this video, like it and subscribe to Just the Chords for all of our scale and chord tutorial videos. Today it is about the chromatic scale that is using every black and white note from one octave of a note to the other. Today we'll do that chromatic scale in C, first in the right hand, then the left hand, and then hands together. This has an interesting fingering, so we'll start with the finger names rather than the note names, knowing that we are doing every note name between C to C, hitting every black and white key. This scale is really all about the fingers. So in the right hand, we'll start on a 2 pointer finger, follow the numbers below. Ready, it's a 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 2, ready, here we go, back down. 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2. And then on that pointer finger again. Repeat that in the right hand if you need. Let's go on to the left. Left hand is going to start on the thumb, finger 1, directly to a 3, like this. Here we go. 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Ready, back down from the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1. And on the thumb. Go through that again if needed. And now let's try it in both hands. Right hand starts on a 2. Left hand starts on a 1. Ready, slowly together. 1, 3, 1, 3. Ready, back down. It's a 3. 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3. Ending on the thumb and the pointer. They line up a lot. Try that again for good practice, and then go on to our next scale video.